silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. Fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So friends, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. So friends, now we are opening the box which we are receiving from the Amazon. We buy it from the Amazon. So let's have a look. Here is the box. JBL Endurance Run. The box is look very nice, very pretty and glossy finish, and it's the very sturdy and heavy box. Here we are the branding of the JBL and Endurance Run. There is just some other specs. Clear voiceover and clear sound and magnetized earbuds. So now just open that box and look what type of earbuds we have received. So with the put box outside and take our earbuds and have a look on that. There is the JBL branding on the earbuds and its rubberized cushion padding is awesome, and the color is so nice. Red and grey color combination is looking so good. The cable is very sturdy and the length of the cable is appropriate, and we have the gold plated 3.5 mm jack with a band knot. The rubber material is very good, and there is the one punch for cable, and there is a JBL branding button and mic. Here is the mic we have, and here is the JBL branding, look so awesome. And there is cushion cover, and the padding and is not round, it's just an oval shape padding which give the comfort to the ear. And there is some magnetism. So here is the awesome JBL wireless earbuds we had